All set to get intimate with your partner? Congratulations! But with great sexual enjoyment, there are also some responsibility that come along the way. Responsibility to keep yourself and your partner safe from the threat of HIV, the treatment which can cost $14,000 to $20,000 per year. Do you know that people who have STDs like chlamydia, gonorrhea, herpes, etc. are more likely to get HIV? STDs have long-term impact on the physical, emotional, and financial health, and can even affect your unborn baby. The good news is you can eliminate the possibility of STD transmission by using personal safety products. At Gashman, we have gone one step further to prepare a unique kit that not only includes everything you require for safe sex, but it will also take your sexual pleasure to the highest level. Introducing the Swag Kit. It comes with scented flavored lubes, both oil-based and water-based, a variety of different textured condoms, non-latex condom, non-flavored color and natural skin tone, and flavored dental dams for oral, vaginal pleasure, all packed into an easy-to-carry case. Don't wait. Have a mind-blowing sexual experience safely with Swag Kit. Place your order now